Hey guys, you're here with Faye from Raven Faye Special Effects. This is a list of things that I use to create the candy cane chest corset. It's a pretty cool thing. I did it for a Christmas party at our haunted house with the lovely model Katie Rose. And I'm starting off with some liquid latex. I already placed the candy cane to see exactly where I wanted. And I'm going to wrap the candy cane in a cotton ball, an unwound cotton ball actually, and then just place it on top of it. And I'm doing a layer of latex on top of that. I'm going to have her hold the candy cane to make it a little bit easier for me to get to it and use both my hands. The process is going to be the same for all 6 candy canes that I'm going to be using. Layers of latex, then cotton, layer of latex, then cotton, layer of latex, then cotton, until you get to what you like. Essentially just hiding the bottom of the candy cane to make it look like it's protruding out of her skin. Yay! Alright, we've got 1 down and 5 more to go. Ooh, sorry. Bad at math there. So I'm going to allow my model to blow dry the latex and the cotton so it can go a lot quicker. We had to kind of rush and do this before a party, so anything to make it go faster is better. So we've got her blow drying it, and I'm going to move on to the next one, just making sure it's even on the other side. So for all you people that need a little bit of a closer view, I'll go ahead and zoom in the camera so y'all can see up close and personal what's going on. So let's go ahead and do that. Going over these instructions again, start out with a layer of latex. Before it gets even dry, put some cotton on it. You're going to make sure to place your candy cane, and then you're going to place latex all over the candy cane, underneath it, all that good stuff. And then throw on some cotton on top of it and around it to try to hide it and blend it into the skin. And then just do layer after layer until you get the result you want. Alright, we're just checking stability here. Now that everything is nice and placed the way I want it, we're going to go ahead and try to blend in that yellow, ugly looking latex into the skin. Essentially just grabbing any kind of foundation that'll match your chest, obviously. And we're just going to color in every single latex wound thing, whatever it's called. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Now we'll go ahead and give a light coat on each one of powder foundation, just to kind of take away any shine if there is any. Now we're going to use the Skin Illustrator Life palette. I'm using the color Natural 1 just to add a different tone of color on top of the foundation that I had already set. Try to blend it in a little bit better. And going in with that same palette, I'm going in with the Rose Adjuster color, starting to add in the colors of the wounds. So the red from the inside of the wound. Now for the most favorite part of, like everybody, the blood. I use Ben Nye's Scab Blood. When it dries, it hardens up really well and looks nice and crusty and gross and all that jazz. So just putting Scab Blood in all the holes. And to add a little extra ooze effect of the blood, kind of make it more fresh, I'm adding on European Body Art's The Blood, liquid blood. You can use really any liquid blood, but this one paints on really easy, and it doesn't drip any more than I need it to. So, yeah. Alright, now that everything else is done, we get to just tie off the ribbon. I would have probably used a white or a red ribbon if I had thought about it later, but I thought black was going to be a good contrast. I still think it looks cute, but obviously you can use whatever ribbon you want and just tie it, and voila, you'll be done, and you'll have a badass chest candy cane corset. So yeah, that is going to complete this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment below if you liked it, didn't like it, whatever. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Faye Special Effects. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And as always, check you later.